So hello guys and welcome back to my channel Bad Boy. As you guys can see, we are back playing Call of Duty Black Ops. And so in today's video, I'm gonna be deciding to do the ultimate challenge, the ultimate face-off between the QXR and the Fennec. I know it's not like so ultimate, but I'm going to be making this a mini series of this, like who will win. But in today's episode, it's between the QXR and the Fennec. I'm going, except snipers, except snipers and marksman rifles, we're going to be comparing every single gun to each other. So if I have an AK-47, I may compare it to AK-117 and RUS to Cordite, so something like that. Okay. So the first game that we're going to be playing is with the QXR, and we're going to be checking. So how many kills I get with the QXR versus how many kills I get with the Fennec. Okay. So let's begin. Okay. So we just started. Hardpoint hijacked. Oh god. So if we have to, okay guys, listen to me. If I get 50 kills, if I get 50 kills in this match, then in the Fennec I have to try to get more than 50 kills to prove that the Fennec is better. Okay. But guys, another problem is that I'm actually a noob in Call of Duty Mobile, as you guessed. So I don't know if I can get enough kills, but already we started. What's up, bro? First kill, first blood. Nobody's here. Whoa! I was kidding. I ain't kidding. Ooh, minor assist. Where are they? Oh, what up? Bro. Yay. Reload. Oh, yay. So I think 2 kills already. Or 3 kills. Okay, let's go. Dun. Okay. Died again. Yep. I was trying to get a kill but died again. I got a kill. But it's obviously way too close. This map, I don't like this map, so that's a big problem. Get out. Come on, bro. RPDs? Seriously? Nobody even uses RPDs. They're too old-fashioned. Okay, let's continue. I technically cannot find anyone. But, there's a guy over here. What's up, boy? Dead. You died. You are dead. Okay. So I'm just gonna go to the hard point. I hate this. Come on, bro. I hate Hawk XM thingy. I hate it. Even though I have it, when the opponent has it, it's abnormal. Get out. Oh, come on, bro. Okay. And wait, did you destroy the enemy Hawk X3? Please tell me. Bro, what is this? So if we lose this match, I have to play another match. This match is not counted in history. If I lose this, let's get the war machine. Let's get it. Anyone here? Everyone's over here, kind of. Bro, spray at you. Come here. Good. You dead. Stay down. Bro. Shotgun? I used to be a shotgun, but okay, how many kills do I have? What? Oh, it doesn't count the kills till the end. That's sad. Oh, bro, hey, listen. We can talk. Oh my god, we're losing very bad. Okay, so this match we're definitely going to lose, so I'm going to see you guys when we start another good match. Okay, guys, so that game was not counted. It's not counted, okay? I did bad. But, yeah, dead silence. This is what I needed. Dead silence. Okay, now let us start another match. Okay, so this map is in Scrapyard, yeah. I don't know why I hesitated to say that, but Scrapyard. Oh, I like this match. Okay, I like this map. Okay. Okay, guys. So, okay, let's just continue. Seriously? I don't care. Actually, I do care. Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. Get out, get out, get out, get out. I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. 0 kills. Oh, bro. And as you guys know, I'm a noob. So it makes sense. Dun, 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 dun. Get out. Finally, a kill. Hardpoint is unlocked now. Nice. What up, everybody? The king is here. Get out. Get out from my lobby. Rage quit. Rage quit right now. Oh, like a marksman rifle. Come on, bro. Okay, so did you guys know in this series, in this match, how many ever kills I get, I have to count them down. So I can get a kill with any gun, but I'm not gonna do that. Bro, get out. You too, get out of my lobby. And there's another. Sorry. Nice. I ain't never sorry. And there's a guy up here, right? Yep. I thought so. Ah, bro. Get out. What up, boys? Bro. Nope. No, you're dead. Dead. Oh, that damaged me so much. Who do you think you are? Huh? Get out. Bro, I'm right over there. Oh, come on. That is not fair. Bro. Like hitting people with a bat. That's brutal. Let's go. Bro, get this guy. He's one shot. Nice. Get the trophy system. Put it here. I don't care. Oh, nice. Got that kill. Oh, wow. That's crazy. Someone got a chopper kill. Get his chopper kill. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. Bro. I don't care. Bye. You seem like a pro to me. Just kidding. I'm a pro. I'm get out. I'm out. I'ma head out. Poor boy. Bro, get out. This is mine lobby. Boom. Hey, who this? My trophy. Do something. My only trophy. Bro, I destroyed my own trophy. That's crazy. Get out. Oh my god, bro. We are losing so bad. Okay, no, we're not losing, but still I need them killies. Come on, bro. We gotta go here. Molotov time! Die from the Molotov, boy. I'm getting killed from the Molotov. Oh wow, come back. I don't know how I got the comeback. But oh, that's unfair. That ain't fair, boy. That ain't fair. No Hawk X3s. Come on, bro. He's gonna get him kills, but not the hard point. There's someone over here. Oh, nice. I got a kill. Nice. Yeah. Friendly Hawk X3. How many Hawk X3 do people have? Yay! I did it all by myself, definitely. Grenade! Oh my god, that hurt. I heard that she's a hacker. Definitely a hacker. Where's the guy? I definitely see that guy. Oh, he died. Nice. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Bro, I completely forgot there's a guy. There are two people. I mean, it's not like I knew that there were two people. Just die. Thank you. And hey, you got shot once, means you have to die. It's the rules, bro. Seriously? Seriously. And this guy over here. Nice. So I get a kill and then someone else kills me with an M4 LMG. So I kill someone, someone kills me with an M4 LMG. Nice. Headshots. Boom, headshot. Oh, okay, God, thank God. Oh, hostile hunter killer drone. Whoa! Oh God. Like an AK-47. Who uses that? Oh, the OGs use that. Run, don't run. Bro, we're tied. Hey yo, where you at? Yeah, we won. We got the hard point. And as soon as we come here, there's another hard point. Oh no, there's a knife player. Nope, no. I help you, yes. Mention not. Oh my God, bro. Who them? Who he? Get up. Oh, bro. So close. It's okay, at least I got 1,500,000 kills. Get them, nice. Hey, hoodies. Okay, nice, thank you. So, I got a kill at least. Okay, so in total, the QXR, I mean, it's kind of okay. Okay, we lost, guys. We lost, but hey, at least I got them kills. I don't think I was the. Yeah, I definitely wasn't the last person to die. Yeah, that wasn't me. And he died. He did. Okay, now all we have to see is. Okay, all we have to see is how many kills we got. Okay, guys. Okay, 33 kills. 33 kills. Okay, I'm going to write it down. 33 kills. Okay, 33 kills. Okay, done. Now move on to the next match. Okay, so now in this match, now obviously we're going to be using the Chicom. No. We're going to be using the Fennec because that's the rules. Okay, good skin for that too. Now let's start the match. Okay, so that's a super quick match. And people are way higher level than me. But it's okay. So this is just the pre-game. That's okay. So if you guys don't know how the Fennec is, look at this. The recoil is okay, but the reloading is just bad. Okay. Hey boys, I'm going to be using the Fennec. Also guys, tell me in the comments down below which gun do you guys want next and which gun do you guys like, the Fennec or the QXR. I know maybe a lot of people like the QXR more because the Fennec is just. Oh, assist. Who getting them assists? Get out. Assists, bro. Got none kill. Oh, bro. Okay, so I didn't get any kill with the Fennec. Just like 25,000 assists. But it's okay. Where's them dudes? I will attack. Okay, the Fennec is kind of irritating me. So we got 33 kills for the QXR, but the Fennec is 0 kills. Finally. Hell, my kill! Nice, finally. So the Fennec, oh my God, Bro, so the Fennec, the Fennec has the recoil of Fennec is not that, the recoil is just insane. Bro, what? That's not possible. I need my war machine to get rid of that thing. My war machine, my OP. Hey noobs, I'm back. What up? I'm back, Char. Oh, nice. Got a double kill. Nice. Oh, bro, I hate that. Okay, we need to somehow get rid of the helicopter thing because that's way too bad. Nice, run. Okay, who shot me? Who do you? Who shot me, bro? Oh, this guy here. Yeah, noob. Oh, he died. Yeah, I thought so. What's up, noob? Oh, this guy was one shot. I reloaded. I thought the guy died, so I reloaded and I went to the other guy. But in any case, I assisted both of them. I got the assist kills. Okay. What are we going to do? No Molotov because it's a new zone. Yay! Hard point secure. Bro! I'm out. Bro! I mean, the other guy is dying too, but... Bro, come on, man. Died again. I literally died again. Okay. So till now, my character is stuck, but... I'm probably now used... I'm done the most assists I've ever done. Like, bruh. Get him! Nice. And obviously the hard point is gone. Like, dude. Like, what do you even think? Get him! Dude, come on. That guy's a pro. You know what? Pistol only. No. Ah! I don't know whose was that, but whoever was that, it was good. Who is this? Where is the zone? Ah! Okay, that guy deserved to get a kill. He had a war machine. What did we even expect? I have a war machine too. Oh god, the killer drone's gone somewhere. Mi gente, do not like this. Oh, but come on, I just got one kill. It's okay. Okay, let's go again. Hey, yo, what up? He's at a 5 kill streak. I need to get a 20 kill streak to get a nuke. But that ain't gonna happen today. Okay, not now. I'll just tell you when to do the Molotov. Get him! Oh, wrong gun. I used the wrong gun. I used the pistol. I said I'm gonna use the pistol, but I did forget to put it back. Yay! Come back of a century. Like a triple kill. World man. Bro. What you doing getting this triple kills? Get him! Nice. Scrapped. Oh, come on. That was such a good... If I had more ammo, that would be so good. I have to put like an extended mag and stuff on this. It has way too less ammo. I mean, like, all of the ammo goes down the terrible recoil. See? I'm already at... I have to reload again. Bro, what is this? I'm scared. I ain't scared. I'm scared. Pistol only. Nice. I didn't even get the kill. Okay, reload quick. Quick. Get the kill. I hate this. Let's go. And we lost. I mean, I got the last kill, but we lost terribly. Let's see the last kill. Yeah, it was me. Me with the terrible recoil Fennec. It was me with the terrible recoil Fennec. Okay, so I got 14 kills with the Fennec. I don't even remember how many kills I got with the QXR, but with the Fennec only 14. Okay guys, I guess I'll end the video here. If you guys like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, comment which gun you want next so that I can compete with it. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out.